Satnam. My name is Sachdaram or Sophia, and I would like to invite you to practice a very simple pranayam called balancing the Tattvas, the 5 elements, to assist us and support us in handling stress and going beyond duality. So this is from Kundalini Yoga tradition. And the pranayam is very simple. I will explain the position. Your mudra, which is the hand posture, you bring the fingertips to touch. All 5 of them are touching at the first section. And you want to apply a firm pressure here. And your thumb will be pointing towards your sternum, and the other 4 fingers will be pointing straight forward. And there will be space between the fingers, so you're not going to collapse them out, but there will be slightly open and they'll be positioned in this way. Your eye gaze or the focus will be at the tip of the nose. And if you're new to this gaze, just gently lower the eyelids and bring your fingertip to the nose, look at it, and then just rest your gaze there. And at some point your eyes close, it's okay, just reset as you become aware that it's drifted. And now the last part of this pranayam is the breath itself. So the way the cycle of the breath works is we draw a long deep inhale through the nose, allowing the belly to inflate out. So really relax your abdominal muscles. And then as we exhale, we pucker the lips and exhale in 8 equal segmented strokes. Like that. So again, we take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale 8 strokes out. So when you exhale, it is going to be necessary. It's a diaphragmatic kind of breath. So we want to use the navel, the strength of the navel, to push the breath out. And so let's give it a couple of runs. So bring the hands into the mudra, sitting up nice and tall. Let's take a deep inhale first. Maybe lifting the shoulders, and as you exhale, allow the shoulder blades to glide down the back. And we begin our first breath in. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And to finish this pranayam, we'll take a deep breath in through the nose. Suspend the breath as you press the fingertips and really squeeze all the muscles in your body. Lengthen the spine. And through the mouth, powerfully exhale. And now we'll inhale. Stretch the arms overhead, really stretch, lengthen the spine, and then squeeze the muscles in the back. Have the fingers spread out wide. And powerfully exhale through the mouth. And one last time, deep breath in. And really stretch the arms. You could suspend the breath. You could shake the arms slightly, twist and distribute this energy within you as you hold the breath. And then powerfully exhale. And And just rest your hands on your lap for a moment. Keep your eyes closed and notice your breath as it flows organically. This was the pranayam to balance the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, ether, and also to help us move beyond stress and duality. This practice could be built up starting with 3 minutes for a beginner and could be done all the way up to 11 minutes. So I invite you to give this practice a try and see how it helps you manage and navigate the life's currents and circumstances. Sat Nam.